After you decide on the fabric for each room, it is time to take exact measurements for each window. You will need a metal measuring tape, a pen and paper. Please take 3 measurements in width and 1 measurement in height. Hold the front of your measuring tape at the bottom of your window and push it against the wall. Now pull the tape to the opposite side and bend it into the corner. Read the number exact by 1/8 of an inch and please do not round up. Repeat this step in the middle and on the top of your window. Write down all 3 numbers for the width. Now take the measurement for the height the same way. Push the measuring tape all the way to the top of the wall or trim and bend it on the bottom to read the precise measurement. This time you only measure the middle of your opening though. Write down this number as well. As the last step, copy the height and the smallest width to your paperwork. Give the window a name, write down the fabric number and submit your order via email. If you have any questions or concern, please contact us here.